Hey everyone, today we're going to be installing the Akrapovic exhaust on the BMW R1250 GS that I have, the 2022 version. I'm going to give you some of the specs. It's pretty easy. There's plenty of videos on it, but this is just my take on it. Hopefully you stay tuned. Yeah, these are the tools we'll be using to install the Akrapovic on the GS, which is a 3mm Allen wrench, a T25 Torx adapter, a T40 Torx adapter, and a 13mm long socket. It's pretty easy, and you use the copper paste. Let's get started. All right, guys, so we're gonna start by taking the screw down here out first, and then loosening the nut on this clamp. And then this is the third one, and then the whole thing will come out. So let's get started. Screws out, and for the clamp we are using a 13mm long socket, long neck. We use power tools, but it's really early in the morning, don't want to wake anyone up. I'm gonna go to that bad boy. Should be pretty easy. And for that one we're using a T40 socket. This one we're going to use an extension just so I don't scratch it. Okay. Get all these caps off. But for this one, we're going to be using the original screw, so we got to put that to the side. All right, so just slide right off now. There we go. Man, this sucker weighs a lot. Yeah, this exhaust, I think this thing weighs like about 20 pounds at least, or 15. It is so heavy. Jesus. Alright, so that's what it looks like without the exhaust. Pretty cool if you could just ride it like that. Here's that flap. The faster you go, it quiets it down. The servo motor. So Akrapovic usually will send you the anti-seize, the copper paste. So we're gonna put some on the screws, especially the big one up here and some down there, just so it doesn't seize up when we're installing them. First we're gonna install the carbon fiber cover. Alright, so install this cover. There's a clamp, goes right over it. Now we're gonna line up the screw. Okay, so we're gonna tighten the clamp down. So that's all tightened down. This one will just tighten slightly. I'm gonna finish installing the Akrapovic exhaust. Alright, line up the holes. I'm gonna use this washer from the original. Yeah, look at the new Akrapovic exhaust on the triple black bike. Looks pretty cool, all black. Now let's go compare the sound to the factory exhaust. sound difference. I mean, it does feel a little bit lighter, especially that exhaust probably weighs like 15 pounds, so it's probably saving like a good 12-13 pounds on it. So you can feel it that it's a little bit easier to flick into the turns. I just went for a quick ride, and it sounds the same to me, but at least I saved the weight on it. So hopefully if I race another GS and he has a stock can, I could beat him because of those 13 pounds. If you guys like this video, please give me a like, subscribe, leave me a comment. If you got any suggestions for the exhaust, so you think it sounds different, leave me a comment. All right, catch you in the next one, guys.